Martin, I want the rematch, so just make the tea time. Yeah, 7 o'clock. And then
Dad,
if I move things
can we-
around, then maybe I can still make a couple of afternoon meetings. Very good, thank you very much. I'll see you.
Want to go to the playground? Got your jacket.
It's really warm out, though.
Come here. I'll bundle you up. It's cold outside.
But Nana, it's like 16.
Freezing.
Mom,
I know.
Mom, it's 20 degrees out. He'll roast in that.
Or die of heat exhaustion.
Yeah.
No, it's cold out. We don't want to put him at risk.
Mom, look at the forecast. You have to use the tools available to you. You gotta stay sharp.
No, Dad, it's true. It's pretty cold out. Nana's right.
He gets his smarts from my side of the family.
I hope not.
Let's go, kid.
Let's go.
I'm burning out.
I am too.
Well, let's get this stuff off of you. I don't know what your father was thinking, dressing you like this.
You know, Dad, he's not the smartest man on this earth. No offense, Dad.
The park?
Yep.
Let's do it.